Hey guys, this is Brant. Welcome to my channel. Let's go fix something. Hi everybody. I guess this is technically episode 3. As you can see, the truck is running. I actually filmed all of it, and I lost all the footage. So I'm going to go ahead and recap and show you what I had to go through, what I did, and so let's do that. So let me go ahead and show you all the things that I have replaced or swapped out or changed. Starting with, of course, cap, rotor, the wires. The wires are cracked and damaged, but I didn't think that was my problem. But, you know, I got them changed. Here was one of the first things I took out. This is the start-run relay that I don't need anymore because I took out this dual pickup distributor and I put in a aftermarket single pickup from Summit. So that's done. I think that was actually the problem. So that's changed out. Here's some of the wiring issues that I found. Here's one of the issues also. As you can see, that was pretty beat up on the backside. When I took it loose, it all just fell apart. And this is the original coil that I didn't think was working right. It might have been. I don't think it was. That was my second coil that didn't fix anything either. So anyway, let's go to the front and I'll show you what's going on. So I know that's a really brief synopsis of what I did. I'm really hoping that I can recover some of that footage and if anything, put it in our next video so you can at least see what I did. So here's the new orange box, they call it ECU, that came with the kit I bought at Summit. Comes with the new plug. Now, in the past, right here is where that ballast resistor was situated. But since I bought a 1.5 ohm coil, it actually recommends you not use a ballast resistor. So I took that out of the system. Basically, this is where these wires right here is where the ballast resistor was originally, and just connect them together like the ballast resistor is there, but direct through. Now, when you do this, you're going to have two wires. You're going to have a run wire and you're going to have a start wire. You can go ahead and get the start wire out of the system all the way. In fact, it's capped off right there, because if you do hook that in the system, as soon as you go to run on your ignition switch, it will backfeed through the start and actually will start turning over before you even want it to. So just take that out of the system. We're going to run one 12-volt wire that will handle both run and start. So now on this box right here, you'll see you're only actually running 4 wires off the ECU. This 5th wire is not even needed or used. So that's how that's hooked up. Now, of course, I've already run it a little bit today, so it's kind of warmed up. So long time to go take it for a test drive, so I'm going. Well, not too bad for a maiden voyage. I haven't really timed it, just kind of timed it by ear. I think we can go a little bit more advanced, but yeah, all in all, I'm happy with it. So we just keep working at it and make it better and better.